Today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can recall a message that you've sent or an email that you've sent using Gmail. Now, this is quite, well, difficult actually on quite a few different levels because sometimes you need to recall an email that you sent maybe, an hour ago. And well, that's not technically possible with Gmail. Let me show you why. Okay guys, so here we have my Gmail open, and if we go ahead and just compose a quick message, I'm just going to send this to myself. I'm just going to say that office. Oh, actually, I'm going to undo it. So I'll go info at that office guy.com. Okay, so just a message to myself here. I'm just going to call this test like so, and we're just going to say test right here. Okay. Now, if I send this email as a test to myself, you'll notice in the bottom left-hand corner, we have the message sent, and you've got the undo or view message. Now, that little pop-up is the only way to actually recall your message or to basically undo essentially that message being sent. And you can notice that it doesn't last very long. It lasted only 5 seconds. Okay, and then that undo functionality disappears. Now, in order to change this, we have to head over to this cog icon, go to settings, go to see all settings, and then inside here, you'll find the undo send function. And you can see here it send cancellation period is 5 seconds. You can extend this to 30 seconds. That is it. So you only have a 30-second window essentially to undo or recall a message. For example, if I come down and I click on save those changes, and then we come back over to our email inbox here, and we just go ahead and compose another message. This time we can go and send it to that office guy again, or actually it should be info. I always do that. Info at that office guy, and then we just do another test here and here, right? Now, if we go ahead and send this message, this time we have our undo button down here at the bottom, and it will last for 30 seconds. So you only really have 30 seconds to make up your mind as to whether or not that message that you sent actually needs to be recalled or undo the send. And that is it. So if you do accidentally send an email out, or maybe you had second thoughts about a message that you sent out, but you actually passed 30 seconds, there simply is no way to recall that message that you sent via Gmail. Now, I know that's not exactly what you guys want to hear, but it is what it is. There is no other way of doing this. Essentially, if you do send a mail or an email via Gmail like that, and you've let 30 seconds elapse or more, well, sadly, there's just no way to recall it. So hopefully by extending it to 30 seconds, that helps you out a little bit. If it has, smash that like button. You can drop a comment down below with the issues that you're experiencing or whether this works for you guys. And do subscribe for more hints and tips to the channel here because, well, if anything does change, you can bet that I'm going to communicate it with you guys.